Come on, that's the spot where we center the PEZ. One person laughing, that's for sure. What's really going on, PEZ book fans? Josh the PEZ guy here with a cool space trooper. He says PEZ. He has glue damage, as a lot of them do when they were glued together. There are these little pegs that come through here into little holes where they sandwich the pieces together. This is a damaged one, so I can let you see inside of there. And you can see where they've glued it together. The glue's coming apart. This thing's what? 60 years old? You'd be coming apart too if you were 60 years old. Made in Austria. Printed here. And then there's your PEZ. And here's your head. Now it's going to have the metal pin hinge. So it's got the spring running through the head. That's what the little black dot is. Let me turn it around here. And as you can see, the matching inner sleeve. Unfortunately, the head spring has rusted away. The little hole there is where the spring rests inside. See that black line? Yeah, let me rest it against here. There's a black line right in this area. That is a crack where the head spring sprung and it actually broke through the plastic. And then here you can see this black stuff. This is rust and candy residue. So candy was probably in here and there was a lot of moisture and it rusted it all out. But look for that damage right there on anything with a metal pin hinge. But yeah. Also some of these stress marks where it's pushed in from where kids carried it in their pocket. There's a lot of cool different color Space Troopers. This one happens to be blue. It's one of the first full bodies they ever made. So there you go. So until next time.